Well, it depends on how the business is taxed. So, for example, if the business is taxed as an S corporation, your ability to contribute to the plan is based on the W-2 wages received from the S corporation. So the voluntary after-tax solo 401k contribution limit is 100%. So it's not a percentage like 25% like you have with the employer contribution limit. But so you can contribute 100% of self-employment compensation dollar for dollar all the way up to the overall limit. So for example, if you have at least $66,000 of W-2 wages from the self-employed business tax as an S corporation, you'll be able to contribute all of it as a voluntary after-tax contribution. Now that's assuming, of course, that you don't make any other solo 401k contributions, because you got to consider the overall limit. So that voluntary after-tax contribution would count towards the overall limit. But if you only are making voluntary after-tax contributions and you have at least $66,000 of self-employment compensation, i.e. W-2 wages in the case of a business tax as an S corp, and of course you have a plan like ours that allows for voluntary after-tax solo 401k contributions, you can contribute all of that amount as an after-tax contribution. You would have to go into a separate voluntary after-tax solo 401k sub-account before it gets moved over to either a Roth solo 401k sub-account or a Roth IRA.